What's going on, guys? This is Tommy with House of Beast dropping another video. And this one will go into the Pantone mixing system, creating your own custom colors for screen printing. So if you're new to screen printing, I want to get some tips and tricks. Go ahead and subscribe, like, hit the notification bell. We're dropping some new videos. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get into this green Galxy fusion mixing system. This is a Pantone mixing system by Ryonet, or the green Galxy series. What it is, they send you pigments. These are pigments. They send you a box of them. And I got the pint version, which was about I think a little bit over 200, I believe. Remember, it's been a while since I've had it. But they send you all the pigments. They give you red, black, purple, gold, yellow, green. And with these colors, and then they give you the base, the mixes for the base. And with these colors, you can make any color you need in the Pantone mixing scale or book, or whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'll be doing today. I don't use it very often, but when I do, it really helps. And today I'm doing Pantone, this one right here, 137U, which is a brass yellow type deal. So that's what this is. And what it is you go into and you put your Pantone in here and you put how many grams you need. And this was about 250. It's about 250 grams. Maybe does half this container, maybe 3/4 of it. So just to give you an idea, this is a 16-ounce container. What you do is you go in the system and you go in there and you put your Pantone 4685U. You put that in there and it formulates all the colors that you need. So clear core base, your opaque, your yellow, red, and your black, and your white right there at the bottom. That's what you will need, and the amounts. So you go in here, you get you a scale, right? You tear it out, and then you just put what you need. White, I wait till the very last to do that, and I put half of the amount, mix it in. If it's not the right color that I need, then I add some more. Black, I'm real careful with it. So there's just, you'll learn once you do it. There is Pantone mixing system for Plaster Saw. And I should have went with that one instead because I use a lot more Plaster Saw, but I'll be using more water base and discharge, so it's good to have anyways. The prints are a lot softer. Everybody's scared that you can't cure it, but I cure it on the small Vastex that I have, the D100. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this, and you can see here in a second what it looks like. All right, guys, that's how to mix your custom colors. You got your flesh tone. You have kind of a real orange brass type color. So I may lighten it up a little bit, but anyhow, it's pretty much the Pantone that I needed. So that is how to use the system. Like I said, there is Plaster Saw mixing systems, Epic, Rio. I get a lot of products from River City Graphics. I might purchase their Plaster Saw mixing system. It's about a little bit over 200 bucks, I think, but you get all the colors, and it's colors that I use anyways for printing. So, you know, that way when I have to make custom colors, I can just use that to make. So, but anyhow, let me know what you think about this video, and I will be showing the print on this. I've been having a lot of trouble with this customer for about a month now. I've been dealing with them. Luckily, he's been patient about it. He's changed some things on me, so it's just the way it is. Not a big deal. I'm gonna take my time and make sure it's done perfect. I'm not gonna just rush it just to give him whatever to get him out of my face. It's this t-shirt brand, so I wanna make sure it's really good because, you know, if it comes out perfect, then he's gonna order more. So, future business for us. So, let me know what y'all think. Drop a comment, make sure y'all like it, and I'll catch you on the next video.